I will show you how to free up your disk space easily in Windows. Let's get into it. Usually when you want to free up your disk space, you go to File Explorer, you click right mouse and click Properties to see how much this folder have in size. And you do it for each one of your folder, right? I think it's your time to move on with this software called Windirstat. With this software, you can visualize how much files and folder take in your disk space in one place, so you can easily find where is your big file size lay on. Let's install it first on our computer or laptop. Search Windirstat on Google. Click this site. And you go to this section called Download and Permalinks. Then you can click Download Windirstat from FOSS-Hub. Click this text and you can start downloading. After the download has finished, you can open that folder and double left click to install and click yes. Check I accept the terms, click next, just next again. You can customize the folder you want to store it, but I just leave it default and click install. After installation has been completed, you can click next and check the run Windirstat. So after you close the installation, you can open it right away. When it's open, you can choose the drive you want to visualize. In my case, I'm going with my C and D drive, so I choose all local drives and click OK. When the result come up, you can see how much it takes, and you can see at the bottom how much block it is using by white square R. So this is your C drive and this is your D drive. You can start analyzing which one you want to delete by click plus, and it will show you the most folder that take up space, and click again to see what files take the space, so it's easier to detect because it's automatically sorted by the biggest to smallest. Other way to finding big file is you can click the block like this. In my case, this take much big space, so I'm clicking it to see what they are. If it's not important like this is a cycle bin, I would have just delete it. You can delete to recycle bin so it can be recovered later, or just delete it forever. If I am not planning to use it in the future, I just delete it forever. But if the blocks are small like this, you want to be careful because it's usually your system C files, so you should aim for the big blocks like this. I always found the big files that I have downloaded but never to use it again, so this software came really handy to handle that kind of files. Let's move on to the second way to free up space in your drive. First, right click on your Windows icon and click Setting. Scroll down in System section until you see Storage. Click it and wait until it's done loading up. There are installed apps, other temporary files, and desktop, but I think you should just go to installed apps and temporary files. So first we can click installed apps. You can click it and you can find the programs that you rarely use and uninstall those to free up some space. Just click the three dot in the right and click uninstall. You can too sort it from large to small. For the temporary files, there are a bunch of options. You can read the description and decide which one you want to delete. But for recycle bin, I usually think I look it up a bit, and if there is the files that I want to restore. If I don't need any of this later, I'm just usually check the box. And I absolutely uncheck downloads because I'm afraid there is still files that I want to use, and the rest I always checked it. And if you're done, just click remove files and wait. I speed it up because it's a bit long for me. After that, you can go back. When you scroll down a bit, you can see storage sense section, and you can turn it on if you're not already turned it on. Click this and tick this box to automatically cleaning up your temporary files. Make sure this is on, and in the configuration cleanup you change the setting from during low free disk space to every month. And delete files in the recycle bin, you can change it to 14 days so it will not piling up, but I'm stick with the 30 days because I'm usually cleaning up the recycle bin myself. And the last is, for me personally, is never. But if you want to automatically delete file that you've never opened up in 30 days in download folder, you can go ahead change it, but I'm stick with this setting. So it is how I free up space in storage drive in Windows. If you found this guide helpful for you, you can leave a like, comment and a subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you for watching. Bye.